Hello there, welcome back again. Happy New Year 2025. Today we will discuss about 8 great new Excel functions for 2025. We'll discuss where you can find them and their functions. The first one is high contrast. The second one is format table dark. The third one is fill up, fill down, creating PDF and how to share. Wrap text, checkbox, focus cell, and zoom. So let's get started. So the first one is you will find it under home, which is high contrast. You'll find it here, and it will actually give you a very important style of writing. So you'll find it from here under the home. It looks like this one. So let's test it. Let's write something here and change the high contrast from the given options. Let's write the word through here. So now it is in this one, in this color. Let me change and show you again the other style. So it will stand out and you can see it clearly. So that is high contrast. So you will find it under home, and here it is. So all these are actually written in high contrast, and its function is it's used to stand out, especially for heading. You can use it for heading. The other is has a good readability, and many preferences are there for you to just apply them. So you will find under the home, and it looks like this one. So use them. So let's come to the next one. The next one is the format table. There are different styles, so we'll see them in practical as well. So here we have a list and the quantity of items in their cells. Here I have used gray color, and here I have used brown color. So we'll do it practically as well. So let's first see its functionality and what it looks like. It looks like this one. From the given options, you can select the one which is actually preferable to you or which suits your function. So its function is to have a clear readability, and you can filter it by item and by total. Let's demonstrate that here. So I have a list of items and their cells here. Let me copy it and use that one. So as I've already said, let me use a dark teal color. So as I've said, you will find it under home, under format. So I'll go to the format, then select from the given options. Let me select dark teal, and it will actually ask me to add the header. Let me say yes, and here it is. So I think it is very clear now from compared to the previous one. So you can actually select or filter it. For example, I can just see only total if I wish, or I can filter again to see. Let me filter for tablet, so I can see only one item or total or a given item. So that is an interesting. So the most important thing is you can actually have a very nice looking. So that is uh, the dark teal. Let me copy again and use another option, which is this case. In this time, let me use it dark brown. So I have to go to again format, go to dark style, and let me use it brown. So this is the brown style. Let me use it again green style. Let me copy it and paste again, and go to format, and this time green. So it looks like very nice style. So I hope you are enjoying it. That is the new option. Again, let me continue to the next one. Under home, here we have fill up and fill down option. You can find it here, and it looks like uh, this one: fill down, fill right, up and left. Let us see practically here. So I have to select this and click it, fill down, so I can just fill the whole data down. For up again, I have to select this section and click up, so I will get that one. So what is its function? It can actually speed up your work. So let's come to the next function, which is under home again. It is creating PDF and sharing PDF. So you'll find it here on just on the top right, and that is to create a PDF from Excel and to share the PDF to your team. So it looks like this one. So the function is it is actually easily you can easily share your document to others. The next one is home, and under home you will find it wrap text. Again, previously we'll find the wrap text under alignment, but now this time the icon is added here, so you can find it easily again. So that's also actually increase your speed. The next one is insert. You'll find it under insert. So I have to go to the insert and select the checkbox. That is the checkbox. You just do like this, and used for practical purpose. Let's see its function. Its function is to track attendance, to track activity completed, and when you actually go to the insert and find the checkbox, it looks like this one. Let's practically use and see its function. One of the practical use of checkbox is to just check completed activities. Here I have a list of activities. Here I have a checkbox is inserted and all the activities are pending right now. So if I just click this checkbox, I will get the number of completed activities and the percentage completed so far. So let's click it. Can you see it? It has been actually tried to calculate it. So I can create a simple tracking of activities using this checkbox. So now I have completed all the activities. All the activities have been implemented or done or completed. I can say either completed or done. So then it is 100% completed. If it's not completed, it will be actually on pending. So that is one of the practical use of this checkbox. Let's come back to the next one. So the next one is found under view. You'll find under view, and that is focus cell. The focus cell is to just, you have to go to the focus cell and click there. Can you see it? It will actually give a focus to your point of attention where you should actually highlight something for others, or especially this is important during presentations. So you'll find under view, and you have to go to view and then click on this focus cell. So that is actually to the function is to give attention to something. So let's add function here. So to highlight your point. So it will actually just select that one. So to undo it, you have to actually go and click again. So it will go. So that is another important functionality. And the last one is number 8 is found under view again. So that is zoom. Previously zoom is there, but two functions are added here. Fit to selection and custom are actually added. So these are actually the new additions. So its function is to use different options and have flexibility, and more option is available for you, so you can use them easily. So these are 8 great new Excel functions which are actually available right now and to be used by anyone which is interested to use them. So there are actually many other added functions which are actually very complex and with a complex as well as complex functions and complex functions and formulas have been also released, but these 8 are actually very easy ones. Anyone can use them. So what is overall function of these 8 new functions? Their usage is to increase your productivity, to increase your expertise and boost your usage of Excel. So here is the question for you. How many of them you have used so far? I mean, from this high contrast, from format, table, dark, fill up and down, creating PDF and sharing to your friends probably, and wrapping text, checkbox, focus cell, and zoom. So, how many of them you have used so far? That's a question for you. Just add in the comments which one you like the most from the option I've discussed. Which one is used here? For example, I have used here for this section. For example, I have used one of them, and which one I have used here. Just answer these simple questions, and also plan to use them for practical purpose, and you will actually boost your productivity and boost your usage of Excel. So those are some new functions added to Excel. And thank you very much. If you like the video so far, please subscribe and like. Thank you and bye bye.